Hello, my name is Leon. Today I will present about how to prepare the wedges in the Spring Warehouse. Before we prepare the wedges, we need to do some start out first. First of all, we need to take the kitchen towel and the jug and the stirrer to wash it properly first before we do the wedges. And also we need to wash our hand. Okay. Okay, now when we reach the washroom, okay, we start to wash the parties lah. When we reach the Spring Warehouse, and then we put the kitchen towel first. We put aside first lah, and then we use the kitchen tissue to wipe it, make sure all the tools and the jug is clean lah. No more water inside lah. You can wipe like this. Outside also need to wipe lah, make sure that it is clean lah. After it is clean, and throw your rubbish into the dustbin then go into the others tools lah, using the kitchen tissue. For the stirrer, you just wipe like this. It's easier for you lah. If you wipe like this, the tissue will patak lah, something like that. After we clean all the tools, then we proceed to the prepare wedge step lah. Okay, first of all, we need to take the bottle first. This is our bottle with the logo Jungle House. Okay, for example, you need to prepare five jungle hut. Okay, then we take 5 from here lah, from the boxes. This 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you take the packaging out. Also throw it to the dustbin. And then this is our Jungle Hut sticker lah. Since we prepare 5, so we just only need the 5 sticker lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can screw like this. For you to easier get the one. And then we paste the sticker properly. This logo is the straw. Make sure the straw is 45 degree, 45 like that lah. You can paste like this. The straw don't be too straight or too sengit lah. And then repeat the step like this. After we apply the sticker on the bottle, juice bottle, we need to write the expiry date so the customer will know when is the expiry date for the wedge juice lah. Today is 3 of June, so 3 plus 5 equal to 8 June lah. So the juice date is 8 June 25 lah. How to calculate the expiry date? Actually, is the current day plus 5. Is the most easier way for you to remember this lah. So you repeat on other bottles lah. After that, we take out this thing. Open it. Before it's on the way open, just put the stirrer inside the jug lah. And then this is 0, right? We put in. The most important step now coming is we need to play this one. Make it become 0 lah. You can see now it's the 0. So for easier to us to put the honey lah. Okay, as we need to prepare our jungle hut. This is our strawberry jelly can lah. The honey, pure honey lah. Okay. How do I remember how many grain I need to put inside the jug. Okay, so easy. You can always prefer this. For example, if one cup, of course, 53 lah. If two jug, 106 grain lah. Something like this. Now we prepare five bottles. So 265. The most easier way to remember this. You can always refer this table lah, except the royal white, because the royal white is 72 grams per bottle lah. The rest you just refer 53, the most easier way. Okay. And then we put slowly 265 grain. Okay. Until we reach the amount, we're using the orange kitchen towel to wipe the jelly can, make it become clean. So this towel, remember, just only for wipe the jelly can only. Okay, and then you just close it properly. After that, just put at the original place. Okay, and then off this one to save the battery. Then we take out our drinking water. This is our drinking water from the warehouse, other warehouse lah. And then you open it also. Okay, because since we prepare 5 bottles, so now most easier one. Just find the number 5 bottles. So you just the water you just pour inside number 5 like that lah. Okay, then we pour. Okay, you pour into the halfway first. Until something like 2 cups first. Why I say like this? Because we need to add the ice cube inside. So the customer, when the customer get it is cold lah. Customer lagi suka yang sejuk punya. You stir it before you put the ice. Stir it first. If you didn't stir and you just put the ice cube directly, later very hard to dilute inside it lah. You can stir like this, whatever ways you want. As long as your hand don't touch the ways the wet juice come out lah. Okay, you stir. Okay. This one, since we already wipe it, so now this one is clean lah. And then we take the ice. This is our ice cube lah. Our ratio is the juice lah. And then you stir it again to make the ice melting first. Add more water again. Add to the fire lah. You keep on stir it until the ice is melting. Then we prepare the juice bottle. Just now we already paste the sticker or expiry there, and then we pour inside it lah. Pour it carefully Okay. Now still haven't reached the company standard. The company standard is reached here lah. So you need to put a bit. Okay, now reach it, and then you sense going to the other bottle first. Okay, if over the company standard, you can just pour inside like that. Now also reach the company standard. In this case, if the wet juice is not enough already, later you can just prepare one more bottle again, and you just put inside it until full. It's our bottle cap lah. Make sure that it is always closed. The ziplock is closed if we didn't use the bottle cap. And then you take the bottle cap, something like that, the faster way lah for me. close the bottle cap tightly lah, something like that. After that, the last step, which is the most important step lah, we're using the pink kitchen towel to wipe the bottle cap and the bottle lah, because sometimes the honey juice will flow like this. It will become sticky after we put in the fridge lah. So we need to use this one to wipe our bottle lah. Okay, after that, this is the final result of this is the step of prepare our red juice. Okay, then this one we can bring down later. Okay, after prepare the red juice, we just put it at a black container there. Okay, this one is you to move it to the booth. Before you leave the booth, don't forget we still need to clean the jug lah, to make sure anytime it is in clean condition. Okay, this is our grey water lah, means that every dirty water or any water you just put inside here lah. Okay, for this one also got the water inside, so you just put it inside the container first lah. And then take our drinking water again. Open it. Okay, you pour the water. The standard is something like one bottle 400 ml like that lah. And then you go rinse it, something like that. Okay, and you also pushing a bit, so the wall of the jug also can be clean lah, something like that. After that, you pour the grey water again inside this container lah. Then use the kitchen tissue again. Wipe the stirrer and the jug. Make sure that this one is clean one lah. The most important part lah. Okay. And then throw it to the dustbin. After that, you can proceed to the next batch of wet juice. Or if you finish your wet juice already preparing the wet juice, you can move the trolley to the booth. Okay, before leave the spring warehouse, remember this one need to close it, and also the cap, close it properly. And this one, don't put at the table here, because later we will rusting lah. So you can find a place to put down, something like here. And then that's all from me. Now we will go down the booth to sell our prepared wet juice. Okay, in condition we got many wet juice inside the black trolley. We need to use the lift the far there. Don't direct use the escalator lah, because if too many wet juice, later the juice will falling down. Our booth at the ground floor, then we go to the booth lah, our booth now. Okay, now here is our booth. The next step is we need to put the wet juice just now we prepare inside the fridge. Okay, make sure that our Jungle House logo is always heading to the front. Okay, after that, when you finish to package, put the wet juice inside it, also check the others honey juice is that the logo is displayed properly or not. If not, you can try to move properly like that. I think that's all from our step to prepare our wet juice and thanks for watching.